Tonight, it's midnight, and it's time for a snack. You're awake because your stomach was like, I'm hungry. So, we're making crepes with Nutella and banana. As you see, the worker is spreading the crepe sauce on a grill. It's very hard work, so hard that the worker starts to get cramps in her legs. She stretches it down and continues to make the crepe. Once it's cooked on one side, you place Nutella on the middle and then you fold it. And then to make it a little bit healthier, the worker adds bananas on top of the crepe. Absolute goodness. All right? You need bananas or some sort of fruit to make this healthy. All right? The worker's going to spread Nutella on top of the bananas and then fold each edges and allows the crepe to heat and melt the Nutella. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.